Hello everybody, it is Erin here today, back with another new video. This is going to be a vlog style type of video, but it's not a vlog, so don't worry. We all know I'm horrible at vlogging. My arm is so so I decided to do a nighttime routine type video. I posted one of these probably 2 or 3 years ago, so I decided to give y'all a more updated one in a different setting. So yeah, and I look like a whole mess right now because I was tossing literally all day whether or not I wanted to film this video. So let's see if this goes up. But if you guys like this video, be sure to give it a big old thumbs up and subscribe down below if you like it. But without any further ado, let's get right into what I actually do when I get home from school. So usually when I get home, I take a fat nap because I'm tired all the time. But since I'm filming a video, I don't really know what I'm gonna do. And also, the lighting in my room is so tragic, and I'm so sorry about later tonight or whatever, however this goes. But yeah, so this is my room, my messy room, and I don't know what else to say. Okay, I'll give y'all OOTD. So this is a Calvin Klein shirt, these are Calvin Klein pants, and I wore my Birks today. I apologize if the lighting in this video changes every 2 seconds. I just can't do anything. Okay, nighttime routine. I don't even know if this video is gonna go up, if I'm being completely honest. I have no idea. But oh. Let's fix that. Alright. Catch you on the flip side. Sorry if you can hear background noises in the back. I don't know if you can tell, but I just woke up from a nap and my voice making me sound like a man. So, and I'm also holding my phone flashlight because this lighting in my room is literally the most tragic thing in my life right now. But right now, I have no idea what I'm gonna do. What was I gonna say? Let me think for a second. Okay, I figured out what I was gonna say. So, right now, I'm going to work out in my room because I've been doing that lately. Maybe I'll show a few clips of what I do. Nothing, I don't do anything too crazy now, okay? So, after that, I'm probably gonna like shower or something. I don't really know. But I'll tell you as I go along. This video is probably the most boring video you'll ever watch in your entire life. My bad. I swear, getting my light boxes in here is always a struggle, but I'm going to be working out now. I feel like I said that in the last clip, but I wanted to say it again with better lighting, because again, that lighting before was just this lamp right here, light. But I'll show you what weight I use, what I do, and maybe show you how I actually do it. So let's get into it. Alright, so this is the weight that I use. It's a 10-pound weight, and you're supposed to put it on like a barbell, but I just took it to use as a weight because we have a lot of these like weight plates. So I've been using this specific weight to work out with lately. Alright, so like I said, I wanted this to still be very vlog style, but I feel like me having a light box and putting you guys on a tripod isn't very vlog styled-esque. So I'm going to try to make the rest of the video without a tripod, but we don't know if that's gonna happen or not. But all that aside, I'm going to be taking off my makeup now that I've already finished working out. You're not supposed to be wearing makeup while you're working out, but I was too lazy to take it off, so I'm going to do that right now. And I just use coconut oil to take off my mascara, and then I wipe the rest of it off with a makeup wipe. It does take a little bit of time, so I don't know if I want to film it. I think when I'm almost done it, then I'll start filming, you know what I mean? Anyway, I'm gonna be doing that now. Okay, so I've taken off my mascara, but I'm going to take off the rest of my face now. So now that I've taken off my makeup, this is what my face looks like. Now I'm going to go and take a shower, but I'm not gonna be taking you guys with me because that is a little extra. So yeah, but just know that I'm going to be taking a shower and I'm going to be washing my face, brushing my teeth, doing all that stuff. And when I come back, I'm going to show you guys what I do for my skin. So, but anyway, I'm going to be doing my skincare right now. And right now I just use micellar water just to get off all that extra grossness off my face. I also bring it onto my neck and bring down these bad boys. I'm not naked, I swear. But I also go onto my chest as well. So now I'm going to be taking this oil serum all over my face. Oh, that was a lot. Then blend it in. Work it into my skin. And then over top of that, I take my regular moisturizer. Normally, I would stop there. I do have a couple of pimply dimply doos that need to be taken care of, so I take some acne stuff and I just put that on. And then after I've put on my acne stuff, I put on this gel that you use on any like marks on your face. Now I'm going to be moving on to hair. So I usually use these products in my hair on a daily basis, whenever I wash my hair at least. So I first take this Sweet Almond Mint Replenishing Treatment, which I need a lot of in my life. And then after I have brushed through my hair and everything, I put some hair oil, just mainly focusing it on the ends of my hair. Okay, so for the rest of the night, I would normally just sit and do nothing and just wait for my boyfriend to call me on FaceTime, which I should probably go check if he called me or not. But yeah, that's usually all that I would do for the rest of the night, and then I'd go to sleep on FaceTime. So yeah, but I will put in a clip of me on the phone with him.
Oh my gosh.
Say hi to my video.
Hi. Are you actually videoing?
Yeah.
Hi. Hi, here in this video.
So I hope y'all liked that video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Also subscribe down below and click that notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time that I post a video. And I also have my social media down there. Any promo codes that y'all want to use are also down there. My email, everything that you want to know about me is down there. And also comment down below what you usually do when you get home. That's a good question, right? Yeah. So be sure to comment that down below, and yeah. I love you guys. Can't finish the heart, but I love you guys, and I'll see you hopefully very, very soon with another new video. Bye.